Hey everyone, welcome to this bonus episode. Bonus Let's Play, I guess? So what this is this is kind of an in-between game that I've just been playing for fun. This is not the next Let's Play, so don't worry. The next Let's Play being worked on, we're good, we're fine. Anyway, I really like racing games. I'm a big Burnout fan, Need for Speed fan. Well, alright, mostly those. If you look at my trophy list, if you look me up on PSN, JCA90 by the way, there's a good few racing games. A lot of the Need for Speed series again, but I got like Split Second on there. What else do I have? I have Splits. Did I just say Split Second? Yeah, I think I just said Split Second. There's a few racing games on there, but I really enjoy racing games. There's always one that I'm playing. So like right now, I went back and I redid Need for Speed Most Wanted. So here I am playing it for fun. And I thought it would be really cool to do the final Blacklist racer. So his name's Razor. At this point of the story, in case you don't know the story of Need for Speed Most Wanted, basically you're a driver. You earn reputation in the city called Rockport. From there, you kind of get into this blacklist, and Razor is numbered 15 on the blacklist. And basically he races you, he sabotages your car, takes your car, and then he becomes number one. And then the game is basically you just going back through the 15 blacklist racers trying to get back to him and getting your car back. And at this point in the story, I'm finished all 15. So there's number 15, there's number 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, so on and so forth. And I've defeated all of them, again, because I've played this game multiple times. And we're up to the Razor. So I thought it would be really fun in between me recording the new Let's Plays, because I'm going to record them in succession so I don't have the problem that I had with Halo where I did not have videos on hand. So I just thought this would be a fun little thing to add. So I'm going to do how many races are with him? Let's see. Okay, so there's 4 races with him. 5 races. I can't read, apparently. There's 5 races with him, so I thought that I would do the 5 races and then, spoilers, the final pursuit. Because there are cops in this game. This was the first Need for Speed that brought cops back after, Underground 2. And it brought things out of the dark into the daylight and brought cops back into it. And this is probably, honestly, possibly my favorite Need for Speed game. I go back to play Most Wanted a lot. So this is, I don't know, 20 billionth time that I played this game. So yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to show it. So let's see what we do here. Hopefully the video's not too long. I've been rambling so far for a few minutes, but let's get to it, shall we? Now, I tend to focus a lot, so we'll see. I'm gonna bring up the game audio a bit.
Good to see you. Been a while. Just keep running like you have, and this race is yours.
Look who came crawling back. I'm glad you're here, Sugar Plum. You brought me luck last time.
Make sure you smoke 'em and get that ride back. I'll take care of the rest.
You ready to donate another car to the Razor Fund, baby? It's go time.
Razor's kind of a jerk. So that's my car. This car is actually from one of the earlier Blacklist racers. Besides the main car that you play as, which is the one that I'm just got a perfect launch off of, this is my second favorite car in the game. Oh, alright, well there he goes. Now, you might be wondering why I'm not using my nitrous right now. It's because this race mode is called Speed Trap. So he's still in front of me, but as you can see, I'm in first place. Why is that? So Speed Trap, it's not about, you know, who's first position, like, you know, who's in front of who, basically. What Speed Trap's all about is, as the name suggests, speed. So these little orange icons that you see there, the little Wi-Fi looking things. So what that is when you're under them or when you pass them, whatever speed you're going at, it'll record it. So on this one, I should get a good 200, 201. There you go. So I was going 201 miles an hour, and that will add to your overall speed. So like on this one, let's see what I get. Oh, thanks for that boost, dude. So that one I got 186. So then you do 186 plus 201, so you get 387, right? And that adds to my overall speed time. Ooh, I hit that car, so that kind of hurt me a bit. And whoever has the highest speed at the end wins. Now, let's say he comes out, you know, he goes in front of me, he finishes the race first, right? Whatever, however long I take, I lose speed points. So, while it's not, damn, I really messed that one up. While it's not imperative that you come in first, as in, like, you know, you're in front of the person, it definitely helps, because if you're way far behind, oh, I just messed that turn up. I messed that turn up badly. Oh, yep, this is not going to end well. This is not going to end well at all. So yeah, if you're too far behind, you will lose speed points, and even if you're ahead, you will lose. So, you kind of want to be ahead, but you don't have to be, like, so far. And I'm doing really badly, because usually I concentrate. Not doing so much concentrating right now. But, we still won. So my overall speed was 1600 there. So this is a drag race. I'm going to let you know now. I'm probably going to do this a few times. Oh, yep. Over-revved it. Yeah, he's going to win this one. I'm going to have to do it over again. Drag races, I try to avoid like the plague. Honestly. Just because they are not my forte. Oh, did I win? Oh. Okay. I was not expecting that. Never mind. Yeah, drag races I'm not a fan of. I love sprints, speed traps, toll booth is fun. Those three mainly, right? Yeah. So sprint, that's next. Let's do this. I'm doing pretty good so far. More. There we go. In front of him. Yeah, so I really like this game. I'm hoping I'm talking enough where, because I have the audio down. Actually, sorry. Let me do this because audio. Active music on. EA tracks. I'm going to turn you off just because it's going to be a boring sounding race now. But just because you know how YouTube is with their copyright when it comes to music specifically. I don't want this video to be taken down, so sorry, you're going to have to enjoy this with no music. Hopefully it's still entertaining without the music. Let's see. I'm trying to think about this game. This game came out in 2005? roughly. Yeah, it's still fun to this day. Like, I'm right here playing it, right? So it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy this game. And that destroyed it. Alright, we gotta get back on track. See, now when playing Halo, or any game, as you saw, have to concentrate. This game in particular, I concentrate. Like, if you see me play this game, I'm staring into my TV soul when I play this game. It's kind of funny. Ooh! Hello. So yeah, this is my second favorite car. Oh, what did I fucking do? Yeah, I'm cursing in this video for sure. Yeah, this is my second favorite car. My first favorite is, of course, the BMW that you get. The one that Razor is currently in. Your original car that you start with. I know you can get that car in later Need for Speed games too. Like it's the exact same car, which is really cool. Oh, I'm gonna hit that car. Ooh! Yeah, I think, what was the, not the last one, which was just called Need for Speed, which was really fun, by the way. I'm excited for the new one that's coming out in the end of 2017. It's gonna be fun. Need a new racing game. That's why I go back to this one when I don't have one. Rivals was a fun one. Just recently remember. Oh, that's gonna. Ooh, that might cost me. That might have cost me the race. Not everything else, but that one. Yeah, I just realized I had. Apparently, I put up Facebook videos of me playing Rivals, so I might throw those up just for fun. Actually, if you look at my intro video, you can see little snippets, little clips of it from there. It's just me running away from the police. So I've been thinking about what other games to use for videos. I of course have the game that is after Halo, which I'm not going to announce right now, but come on, really? I'm not going to announce. Oh my god. I'm not going to announce it right now. Yeah, I have to get this race over. We'll see. But yeah, I'm trying to think what to do after that game. Oh, come on. I'm right here. Yep, he won. Oh, he knows. I'll finish my thought in a second. Oh, if he would have crashed there, that would have been amazing. Don't ask me what happened. Because I don't know. He literally, like, stopped. That was weird. But I'll take it. Sorry. Yeah, that was weird. I don't know what happened there. But anyway, continuing on. Yeah, so I'm wondering what games to do after that one. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a long one. I don't know if I'm gonna do a short one. It's gonna run along Pokemon, of course. Did we not just come this way? Like, why are we going backwards? And I'm doing horribly right now. This was a bad idea. So, I have things semi-planned out. I know what I'm going to do for specific times, specific events. Like Halloween, I already know what game I kind of want to do throughout that month. It's going to be a fun one. But like other games in between, you know, I'm wondering what to do. So, we'll see. If you have any suggestions that you want to see, you know, go right ahead, but it's gonna suck if I don't have it because I have to go and buy it, but whatever. I'm gonna tell you right now, my library, while I love my library because, you know, it's my library, it's not very diverse. I'll tell you that right now. Like, there's like, you know, 7 Assassin's Creeds in there because there's like all these Assassin's Creed games. Wow, I just went all the way around when I didn't have to. See, this is what happens when I'm not focused. I forget these things. And now he has a full leg on me. But yeah, my library is not very diverse. Like I said, I have a bunch of Assassin's Creed games, Dragon Ball games, Spider-Man galore, Need for Speed. What do I have? I have, you know, Modern Warfare, Call of Duty. I don't have any of the newer ones though, except for Black Ops 2. Not that I would do Let's Plays in those though, just for obvious reasons. But oh, this is a circuit. Oh, thought this was a sprint. How many laps? 3? Ugh. Yeah, so this is why I hate circuit races. Circuits are boring to me. Yeah, circuit races are boring to me because it's, you know, going in a circle. Like it's boring. Sprint races, point to point, that I'm fine with. Not just the fact that it's faster, but I think it's more interesting because it's like you don't have time like before, right? You know, I hit that corner or whatever it was, and I was like, all right, that's it. That cost me the entire race. Like, that's awesome. Like that notion of like one misstep and that's it. This entire, you know, however long the race took you, just done by one little action. That's thrilling. Whereas in a circuit, because I thought it was a sprint for the longest time just now, and I made that one mistake that hopefully I will not make coming up right now, where I didn't take the shortcut. Now I'm just like, oh, I didn't take the shortcut that round. Alright, well, I'll do this one. Like, right about now. Nope. Yep, I messed that up. Where is it? See, now this cost me the race. Ah, here it is, okay. Yeah, now that might have cost me the race. But like a misstep like this, right? If this was a sprint race, I can bet you that would have destroyed me. It would have been done. But because this is a circuit race, there's another lap. I have a whole lap to catch up, which, let's see if I actually do. But the fact that the tension is a little bit gone because, oh, well, now I have a whole lap to catch up. I have time. You know, it's boring to me. It's like, oh, I can just catch up, right? Whereas, again, in a sprint, it's like one move and that's it. You're done. And then look at that. I don't know what he did. He spun out. And now I'm like right behind. Had this been a sprint race, the race would have been over, and he would have won. But, I mean, he could still win. I could mess up one more time, and then he won. But we'll see. Yeah, circuits. Oh, that car just popped up out of nowhere. That one I did myself. Yeah. So that's a possibility of winning this, because I'm messing up left and right right now. If I actually win this, that might be a little bit sad for the AI, but whatever. I mean, that last sprint race was definitely a mishap on the AI. I still am trying to figure out what happened there. Like, he literally stopped. It was so weird. Anyway. And the other reason why I hate circuit races is because, let's say on lap 3, you mess up, like I did. Oh, that turn is hard. Yeah, let's say you mess up on lap 3 like I did. And you fail, which I might do. You gotta do the whole thing again. This race was how long? We're up to 6 minutes right now. Like, that's ridiculous. No, that cost me. That cost me the race. I'm gonna have to restart it, but let's see. Hate it when, like, invisible wall is what gets you. Let's see. Nope! Alright, I'm not even gonna finish because that one's done. Can't believe that. That was right there. Alright. 6 minutes of your life is gone, guys. Sorry. 6 minutes of my life gone. Well, at least I did this part better than last time. I really didn't want to make this video that long, but looks like it's gonna be. Honestly, I might cut most of this, but we'll see. Whoa, dude, come on. Sorry if I'm not talking again. I'm trying to be focused so I can just get through this race. And then I think we have one more sprint after this, and then we're... Dude, seriously? This time, I'm going in the same area. All the cars. I mean, I'm kind of glad they're not in my way, but... Can't believe I hit that stupid pillar. Whoa! What was that? That would have been so weird if that was the final lap. I would have been happy, but it's weird. Lap 2, we're at 2 minutes. Oh my goodness. Alright. We got this. Oh, steady, steady. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I'm just hitting everything. Seriously, that did not need to happen. Where do you go? Oh, there he is. I don't know why I'm using all this, but whatever. Hey dude, what's up? Oh, that would have been cool. Oh, really? Dumb AI. As you can see, this game, while I love it to death, has some really stupid, like, you hit this corner, so screw you. It's like, what? It's very odd. But whatever. I still like it. Clearly I'm still playing it like 12 years later, so it's gotta mean something, right? See, he did what I did. Now if you can just stay that way for like a good half a lap, that'd be perfect. I'm trying to remember, was it this game or was it another game? The AI, for whatever reason, crashed, hit some 14, holy crap. Crashed, hit something, and for, kid you not, oh, that was bullshit. And I kid you not, for maybe a good lap and a half, was just, see, look at how fast it lit up. But for a lap and a half, it was just doing like spin outs. Like literally, you just saw the triangle just going in a circle in the same spot. I don't know what the AI was doing or thinking. But that happened for like a lap and a half. And it was like a boss race too. Like it wasn't like a random race. It was a boss race. I remember. And I'm just sitting there like, well, this isn't a fair win, but I'll take it. Shoot. Oh crap, I ran out of mouse. This may or may not be my doom again, and if it is, I'm gonna cut all this out, don't worry. But if it isn't, then, you know, what else? Where are we at? 609? Alright, I'm gonna shut up for a few minutes because I need to concentrate now. Cool. Oh, man. That was very, very long. Sorry, I'm actually recording this late at night. It's actually 2 a.m. currently. Why am I recording at 2 a.m.? It's a good question. I just want to make sure I have content. That's why. And, according to the thing, it said it was a 4-minute sprint. So let's do this. I have this really bad habit of hitting these cars. Oh, I turned too far in. Yeah, so after this, this race here, spoilers, you beat them. Oh, that was really bad of me. Spoilers, you beat them. And then comes the final pursuit with his car. With all the other Blacklist racers, you had to choose. So after you beat a Blacklist racer, you get to choose, I think it's 2 cars. And these cards can range between money, a special custom part, like, you know, special engine, or special turbo, whatever, you know, I couldn't think of the words. But anyway, you get one of those. Or you can actually win the Blacklist Racer's car. And I've done that for a good few. I don't think there's a save file ever where I won all of their cars. But I always definitely try to win at least this one. Because 1, it's a freaking awesome car. 2, it just looks like a badass. And I believe this one belongs to Isabella, if I'm not wrong. Izzy, as they call her in the game. Which is really cool. But when it comes to your car, or Razors, you don't pick a card and get it. Like, they literally just give it to you. They're just like, here, you won. Which is awesome. Oh wow, I'm in the lead and I'm just giving him a way to come back. So yeah, they just give you his car. So at the end of this, you get your car back, and then you do the final pursuit. So if you look on the left, I have a flame and a number 5. That means right now, if I were to get into a cop chase, I would be heat level 5. That means that there's a helicopter on me, there's a bunch of federal sport cars after me. And I have to try to, you know, if they ever chase me, I have to try to outrun them. The final, and that's the highest I can go, by the way. You can't go higher than 5. 5 is the highest heat level in this game. Normal. So when you are doing the final pursuit, it actually goes to heat level 6. Again, you cannot obtain that in the normal game. You can only obtain that in the final pursuit. However, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they released, I don't know if it was the PC version of it or something. I believe they released a version of this game called the Blacklist Edition. And in that, I believe you could do level 6 whenever you wanted to. Yeah, and that one you can do whenever you want to. But I'm going to be quiet now because there's going to be a cutscene coming up right now. And there's no subtitles. Oh, by the way, achievement.
You'll never hold on to the number 1 spot. Not with me on your tail. And if you want these, you're gonna have to take them.
It's over, Razor.
It ain't over until I say it's over. You and me could have had a real good thing.
Where's the other guy?
He got away.
You mean to tell me the most wanted street racer happened to get away? What about the blacklist?
Forget the blacklist. They're through.
I want every single unit after the guy.
Everyone?
Everyone!
The acting is so over the top. It's so over the top, I love it.
District members be advised, we have a code 6 suspect attempting
Alright, here we go. Final heat level.
Driver has aggressively
Oh, look at this
engaged
car.
members of custody.
So, I know exactly where I gotta go.
Hey, Hotshot. Hey, thanks for helping us out. We've been able to pick up every blacklist racer thanks to you. Now, I'll take that into consideration if you give yourself up. So what's it gonna be? Unit down. Repeat, a unit.
So now I have to escape. But not just any place. There's actually a specific location I have to go. Normally when you play the game, there's not like a specific location you need to go or anything like that. But here you do. Just to finish the story, right? The main campaign. So I know where to go. But we're going to get there in an unconventional way. We're actually going to get there what I call the fun way.
SRU vehicle should be there shortly.
Because when I play this game... Oh, that's not good. Because when I play this game, there's a specific route that I take. When I play for fun. So we're going to take that route.
Dropping down on the deck. We're gonna see if we can slow this guy down.
So your eyes are not deceiving you. These are federal Corvettes, undercover Corvettes, because they're black. They're chasing me. Cool. So we're on the way that we need to be. I basically just take both major highways in this game and just go around in circles. So see these logs here?
Suspect 1042 into a rig. We're trying to box him in.
Actually, right here. I'm trying to remember at what point Mia calls you. Broke my front and rear windshields.
We're gonna kneel. Alright, stay with him. We're gonna try something new. I gotta make a move. We're gonna lose this guy. Hold on, I'm pushing him off the road.
So spoiler alert, to the right just then is where I'm supposed to go. We can't go there until Mia calls me, however. So like if I would have went there just now, I would have failed the game because there's no way to get... There's basically a jump there that you have to do. But that jump is closed off normally throughout the game. And it's closed off right now, technically, because Mia hasn't called me yet. Once Mia calls me, then it's open. So, why did I drive past there? Again, this is just the route that I normally take. So I take this route, crap. I think she closed it. Maybe she closed it 4 minutes. 4 or 5. Nope, 5. Yes. So So yeah, you can't escape this heat level normally. Like, you have to do what the story tells you. Which, again, I think she calls you after 5 minutes now. And so I'm just gonna do my thing. And it's funny, like, you know, 4 minutes in a race, you're just like, oh my god, this is taking so long. I didn't realize it's been 4.5 minutes already, and I'm just cruising because, for me, this is the most fun part of the game. It's doing the chase. It's so much fun. I think the longest I've done, longest pursuit, I don't know why I did that. Longest pursuit I think I've done was like an hour. That was on my PS2 though. So there she is. 5 minutes.
Look, don't hang up. Can't go back to any of the safe houses. Cross knows about them. Head over to the old bridge. The location is on your map. Your car is fast enough to make the jump. It's the only way. Later.
Yeah, so there she goes. She calls me and she's like, hey, you gotta make that jump. So, let's make a jump.
Detailing units now.
So normally, that's how you would get away. You would just do that, and then boom, you kind of evaded, you won. But again, because you need to get to a specific area, that doesn't work. So, as you can see, I kind of did. I know what I said before about not liking circuits, but in a circuit, went around. Oof. Now we're gonna
X-ray 7. Checking.
do this.
Can you provide a sit rep?
Normally I drag this out a little bit longer, but seeing as this video is long as it is already, I figured, let's just cut it short. If I really wanted to drag out this pursuit, I really could, but I'm not going to. Could. Did that log just hit me? Whatever. Let's do this. Alright, this is the end of the game right here. Oh, look at that. How many people just, like, either died or got hurt right there? Aw, I should have made it to 2 million. Oh well. 7 minutes, 32 vehicles. Not bad, not bad. And that's it. Is that true? Or the faint of heart. Pursuit rankings. And that is it, guys. That was Need for Speed Most Wanted. That was the Razor race. I'll just let the credits roll. I'm going to cut it short, honestly. But, yeah. So, just this as a fun little thing. Again, just something in between Halo and the next game. Trust me, you're going to really like the next game. I'm very excited to play it. So, So, yeah. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.